Hello students and welcome to DSS online classes. I am your computer teacher Nazrin Naz. So children, today we are start our same chapter, chapter 4, and chapter name is working of a computer. Okay? And this is your second paragraph. We are already read about this chapter is the first paragraph. Now this time is your second paragraph, and your second paragraph is language of a computer, means computer language. Computer language is used to communicate with the computer. It means computer language always used to communicate the computer language. Okay? Now let's start. And your first paragraph is, people in different countries speak different language. For example, people in the USA speak English, and in China, people speak the Chinese language. So if you want to talk to someone from USA, you need to know the English language, or else that person should know your language. Okay, friends? Now let's extend this para. People in different countries speak different language. It means different countries and these people are used in different language. Okay? For example, people in the USA speak English, and in China people speak the Chinese language. It means USA is the United States of America. It means American person is always speak English, and Chinese people always speak Chinese language. Okay? So if you want to talk to someone from USA, you need to know the English language, or else that person should know your language. Okay? It means, so if you want to talk to someone from USA, and you need to the knowledge of English language. Okay? Otherwise, that person should know your language. Okay, students? I hope all of you understand the first paragraph. And your second paragraph is, similarly, if you want a computer to understand your instruction, you need to give these instructions in a computer language. It means, similarly, if you want to the computer to understand your instruction, and you must, these instructions have to be given in computer language. Okay? Okay, students, it means computer understands your language, because dependent on me. My language is English, C++, Java, and etc. And you need to give these instructions in a computer language. Okay? Now let's move to your third paragraph. Okay, students, and your third paragraph is, there are various computer languages which are used to make computers work according to instructions given by individuals. Some of these languages are Logo, Cubase, HTML, C++, and last Java. Okay? It means there are various computer languages which are used to make computers work according to instructions given by individuals. Okay? It means computer languages are various type of language and used to make computers work and depending to interaction given by the person. Okay. Some of these languages are Logo, Cubase, HTML, C++, and Java. The languages are Logo, Cubase, HTML, C++, and last Java language in the computer system. Okay, students, I hope so all of you understand your last and third paragraph. Now let's move to your short video clip for this related paragraph. Now you watch and think it. Okay, students, now we will meet the next part of video in this chapter. Thank you. Okay, students, now have a look at a short clip for this chapter. This is a computer. Computer can understand only computer language, and man can understand only the English language. Okay, students, I hope so all of you understand the man and computer language. Okay, language is the medium to express our views and feelings, to communicate with the computer. Okay, students, I hope so all of you understand. If you ask me any question and queries anytime. Thank you, class.